Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is CD markers. Let's begin with T cell markers. So we have CD3 which is present in all the T cells. We have CD4 which is present in helper T cells and they help to bind to MHC2. Then we have CD8 which is present in cytotoxic T cells. CD28, this helps in signaling the pathway for T cell activation. CD40 ligand, this binds with the B cells, help in class switching. So it binds to the ligand of CD40, the B cells, for class switching. Also, you can refer to my previous video for this detailed topic. Then we have CD25 as well, which is present in T regulatory cells. We have Fas ligand, which is present in cytotoxic T cells. This Fas ligand induces the apoptosis, that is why helps in cytotoxicity. Okay, then some other B cell markers. Here we have CD19 which is present in all the B cells. Then we have CD20. We have CD40 as we just discussed for B cell activation, class switching, sorry. Okay, then we have another one that is CD80, 86. This is also known as B7.1 and 7.2. This is helpful for sending signal for T cell activation. They are present on the B cells and again help in T cell activation. So these are some common ones. So CD40 as we just discussed, these are for the class switching. Now some other cells on the immune system, we have macrophages, right? For macrophages, we have CD14 which binds to the lipopolysaccharides and they release interleukins. So we if you could recall that these CD14 cells, they are associated with toll-like receptor 4. They bind to the lipopolysaccharide endotoxin and what they release out is TNF alpha and certain interleukins. The common one is interleukin 1. These are the important cytokines released by macrophages, and these can result in shock, septic shock caused by these endotoxins. Then we have another one is CD11B, which is also present on macrophages, and this helps as a complement, C3 complement receptor, act as a C3 complement receptors. Then similar to the previous ones, that is B7.1 or B7.2, also called CD80 or 86. These are present in macrophages, also expressed by the dendritic cells. So macrophages as well as dendritic cells. What is their role? As we have just discussed, that They help in signaling the T cell activation and ligates to the CD28 on the T cells. Then comes some NK receptors, NK cells CD markers. These include CD16, which helps in antibody derived cell mediated cytotoxicity. CD56, which is basically present in all the NK cells and act as an adhesion molecule. Then fast ligand, they are also expressed on NK cells and it helps in inducing the apoptosis. Okay, now some other CD markers which you need to remember. We have CD5 and CD23. These are seen in CLL, then CD10. So 5, then 10. Okay, so 10 will be seen in cases of ALL. Then comes 15 and 30. These are in Hodgkin, other Reed-Steinberg cells. So these are seen over there, Reed-Steinberg cells. Then we have CD18. So this CD18, it is a subunit of an integrin, which is basically present on WBCs, and their deficiency leads to leukocyte adhesion defect. Leukocyte adhesion deficiency is because of deficiency of this integrin, to be specific LFA1 integrins. Okay, so CD18 is the subunit of these integrins, and deficiency of the CD18 or LF integrin leads to leukocyte adhesion deficiencies. Then we did CD19 and 20, which we did for B cell markers. So we have CD20, a rituximab. It is a drug which is a monoclonal antibody against this CD20. And also we have Epstein-Barr virus. Okay, so this virus invades the cells with CD19 and 20 present on them, and also CD21. So CD21 helps in entry of these Epstein-Barr viruses on the cell into the B cells, and they then invade and rest upon in the B cells, and so basically from 19, 20, 21 you can say they are linked to Epstein-Barr viruses. T regulatory we discussed, CD25 is already is present. Okay, so that you need to remember. And then some important other things, that is CD5 positive and CD23 negative. I'll write it down. So CD5 positive, whereas CD23 negative is a classical one for mantle cell lymphoma. And similarly, CD30 positive and CD15 negative is present in anaplastic large cell lymphomas, CD99 for Ewing sarcomas, Then CD117 in GIST cells, that is gastrointestinal stromal tumors. Now, PNH, what is there? That is CD55 death accelerating factor, right? Decay accelerating factor. So that is associated with PNH. Now, can you tell me about the precursor, the stem cells? So what does the CD marker for stem cell is? I'll leave this for your question, homework. Thank you very much for listening. Let's keep on learning together.